One thing that I always like doing is to promote our language. So if you are anywhere at all trying to understand Igbo, I will give it to you. Here you speak Igbo just effortlessly. And for some of us who are Igbos, don't be greedy. Share your language. Let other people as well know how to speak your language. By so doing, you are promoting your heritage, you are promoting yourself, because sometimes we think it's our secret, but our language is dying. Kachineke ekwena ka our language anyị in our own time, So help me share your language, help me share this video so that some other people may as well get to know our language, and so that our Igbo people as well will be proud to speak Igbo every time, everywhere. We got to know our dialects, not only your own, not only the Central Igbo dialects. Get to know other people's dialects. And I tell you, this sentence, leave me alone, we will get it to 10 different dialects. And enjoy the rest of the lesson. Thank you. In Central Igbo, leave me alone will be called Hapum Aka. Hapum Aka. So, Hapum Aka and the rest of them, as you can see, all of them. The next thing we are doing now is to pronounce them, how they are pronounced, and the place or the people that do use them. So, let's go there. The first one is Hapum Aka. I believe Hapum Aka should be from Imo State as well. Hapum Aka. Hapum Aka should be from Imo State, but part of Anambra will always say it. Even part of Enugu will say it. It's Central Igbo, Rapum Aka is probably from Anambra. Ham Aka. My people from Ogo will also use Ham Aka. Ham Aka. If we are so Ogo people, probably if it's not you people, then comment down below the people who use this Ham Aka. But I don't know exact people who use this Ham Aka. Ram Aka. Ram Aka from Urumba. Ram Aka. Lapum Aka, I am sure Lapum Aka is from Onitsha, because I used to see one Onitsha guy will say Lapum Aka, Lapum Aka. Lam Aka, maybe from Oka. I am just probably guessing at this time, but Lam Aka is from Anambra. Ham Eka from Nsukka. I know this because it's my area. Ham Eka from Nsukka area. Ejizinam Aka. Ejizinam Aka. Ejizinam Aka. It's like, it's also, anybody can use this. Ejizinam Aka is now like a repetition of Hapum Aka. When someone is holding you and refuses to leave you alone, you can as well use, it's like a second occurrence of that sentence. Ejizinam Aka. Lafum Aka. Lafum Aka is from Oka. Oka people and Lafum. So Lafum Aka. So Ndoka. Oburu na comment section. Lapum Aka. Okay, I've used it before. So this is the end of this part. There are many of them. I just kind of forget them whenever I want to do video, but I am depending on you to reach me through the comments. Let me know what your suggestions are and the correction, because we are working together. So if only you can write something on the comment section, I will also know that you are watching, and I want to thank you for watching at all. But I will be grateful if you contribute and share and like. Without your likes, YouTube will not show this video to other people. So but when you like the video, YouTube will think of showing other people this kind of video. So help me reach others. Thank you for watching, and see you in my next video. Kodi Mbosiozo. Kemesia. Bye bye.